What's up guys, this is a quick video on how to format a micro SD card in the GoPro Hero 12 Black. So right guys, the first thing we need to do is turn the camera on. So we need to go to the other side. So here is the mode button and the on and off button. So what we need to do is simply just press it once and that will turn the camera on. Then what we need to do is go to the top of the screen and slide it down. And from here we need to slide it to the left. And now we need to go to preference. From here we're going to go all the way to the bottom of the menu. So here where it says reset, we're going to go to that. And here on the top you can see format SD card. So we're going to go to that. And it's saying here format SD card. Delete all the files and reformat your SD card. So basically what it's saying here is that your micro SD card is going to get formatted. Any information or data within this micro SD card will be deleted and it'll be a fresh card. So if you need to save anything, save it before you delete it. So here it's asking you to format, so we're going to format, and it's formatting now. So right guys, that's how you format your micro SD card. So we're going to come out of here. And it's going to slide up, and that's done now. So right guys, that's how you format your micro SD card in the GoPro Hero 12 Black. So right guys, I hope this helps somebody out who's trying to get it formatted. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye.